My son was playing with this in Target. I heard that tune. And I found out if you hit it again, it stops. And it says it's got more crap inside. I don't know who these people are, but they told me on YouTube that there are some crazy people out there. And it says they are lanky pox. Alright, so we're gonna check this out. This is my jam. Okay, be quiet. We're gonna find out what's inside. It says, look what's inside. So we're gonna do that. First set. Oh crap, there's 5 series. I don't know what series this is, but it says 1 set. Includes 1 giant Milky with Milky song. That is the 1 song. Okay. What? Oh. 3 mystery standard figures. There's like 3 things over here. I don't know if that's it. We're about to find out. Alright. 2 mystery micro figures. Maybe that's a short guy. 1 mystery squishy. Now that's what I'm talking about. I want the squishy. And 3 mystery stickers. Giant Milky mystery set. 3 and up. I am definitely older than 3. This is awesome. Okay, collect them all. Oh, that's what it says is inside, but then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh crap. This look at this thing. So I'm only gonna get 1 of these. This thing says it's gonna get all that. I don't even know how to open this thing. But we're about to find out. And if they gypped me on my set, I'm gonna write to Milky. He's got, I think that's rosy cheeks. Blush, maybe? We do not need scissors, apparently. There's a squeeze or a something. I'm not sure if that thing pops off. Hold on. I might break it and he won't. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna break him. Hang on, he's got more tape right here. Hang on. Hey, that's why he's not opening. You gotta take off all the tape first. Okay. Let's see what he says. Okay, son. It's not a thing. But that is where you get new batteries. Because when this wears out, you need to get it. Okay, sorry. It's another plastic container. Inside a plastic container. Oh my. Alright, now it says we get mystery stuff, right? So I should have 1 giant Milky. That's this thing, so we got that. 3 mystery standard figures. This does not say anything about a figure. Oh my gosh. That looks like a laundry soap container, those little to-go guys. Okay, Happy Friends, LLC, all rights reserved. I don't know who Happy Friends is, but they misspelled friends. They put a Z. All right, we got instructions. I don't even want to look at those. I think these are stickers, ladies and gentlemen. Or boys and girls. I don't know what age you are. Okay. There's something squishy in there, but I don't think that is the squishy. That's a little figure. Wait a minute. That said 3 mystery standard figures. I feel 2 figures and something squishy. So that might not be it. But these are definitely the stickers. That feels like an ice cream cone. And this feels like, I don't know what that is. 1 mystery squishy. That is not squishy, but there's only 1 thing in there. Okay. This might be the squishy. Or is that the, nope, this thing might be the squishy. I think I have to open this one first. I think it's kind of moving. It's got to be the squishy. And it has these little tabs. Oh, you poor thing. I'm going to break you open. But he looks so cute. Oh, sorry. You don't see the cute side. You see the question mark. Oh, Lord. Okay. See? Any cute? All right. I broke open the handle. I don't understand. Why would you do that? These people did not think properly. We didn't need to break the handle. That was unnecessary. Oh, boy. Question mark, dot. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's squish it. It's a ghost! Oh my God, it's a ghost! He's an alien. Look at, oh my God. He's got a lightning bolt. He's, oh, there's fluid in there. I hope he don't break. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. I'm gonna put him up here. Milky Milk. Okay, we gotta. Oh God. Okay. All right, that was fun. I don't know what this is. And oh, it's down at the bottom this time. And it doesn't say anything other than them question marks. These boys are crazy. Lanky. They're boys on this show, aren't they? Oh. Oh God, dot. But it is. It doesn't work though. Okay, he's going next to him. Alien's got to have a drink. Okay. Slimer, you want a little bit? Want to keep? Hey, does she light up still? Yeah! Okay. Hey, give me action. High five. Okay. Hi! This is the cat. Her name is Ashley. And this one is also down on the bottom. I don't know what that is, and I've lost track, but I do got one squishy. So these are mystery figures. So I don't know if that guy's a figure or no, that's all it is. Or micro figures. I don't know what the dang! This thing. What is with the ghost? His arms move. Whoa. Okay. He's got a crown. You think you're in charge, but you're not. I'm sorry. Alien with lightning bolt is in charge. Okay. Let's see. This is, I don't know what that is. I think these are the microbes. But it's, yep, it says chew. That's what this has got to be. Astrid, are you helping? Okay. Oh, yep, these are those micro fellows, but there's something else in there with the micro fellows, and I think there's another squishy. Wait a second. Where'd the other guy go? Oh, that's him. Oh, what I was feeling was the wrapper. Gotcha. Okay. This, I can't open it without teeth or a scissor. Oh, there we go. This one is some kind of green looking mountain. I don't know what that green mountain. And then this one is, oh my gosh, are you half cat, half pig? I don't know what you are, but you have like a TV head. And it's got, oh, it's got a tail. That might have a tail, but it says Rocky. Okay, this guy's name is Rocky. He's a mountain. Oh, crap. Okay, you're going to have to go over here next to this guy that thinks he's in charge. And then this one, I don't know what to do with you. I guess you're going to have to be between the alien. That is macro, what is he called? Mystery macro figures. Okay, so I did get the squishy macro figures and 3 standard figurines. Is that those guys? 1, 2, no, I only got 2. Because squishy doesn't count. So this guy's got to be another one. Okay. Still got question marks. And we have whatever this is. The Milky Milk. Okay. Now, this is the other figurine. So they're not lying. I think all the contents are, oh, jeepers. That is a rainbow milk carton, man. I wonder if it has all flavors. That would be cherry or strawberry, peach, lemon, and blueberry. Blueberry milk would be awesome. Okay. All right, you're going to have to scooch over. You got, yippee. Okay, that's all that's in there. But we got stickers. Now, the question is, where are we going to put these stickers? I think we're going to put them on Milky. But these guys got to go because this is trash. Now that we know that everything's in it, I cannot even fathom what instructions are other than battery changes. Okay, this guy, see, he's on top too. Your little tabs on the stickers is up on top. Who else was on the top? I'll have to go back and look. I don't remember which one. I think it was the alien, the squishy. Was he the first one I opened? I think so. So, the first one, but you see, it's not even necessary to tear that whole thing. So if you do it from this side, you don't break your little porter. Not that we're going to keep these things, but you know, he is kind of cute. I really feel bad. We should save one. Oh well. Here are the stickers. There's one. It says stickers, plural, so there's got to be more than one in here. And there's the little thing that you pull the little tab. And then, oh boy. Okay. Oh, that's that crowned one that thinks he's in charge. I don't like him. Okay, oh, this one's got donuts. So whatever that cat thing is, it likes donuts, man. And then, I don't know what that is. Milky. Okay, that's, you know, you think too much of yourself, Milky. So I'm not sure where we're going to put these, but I think we need to put them on Milky. So, Milky, your instructions are going to have to stay in your belly because I don't know what else to put in you. I mean, what are we going to put in you? We can put your stickers on you, not in there. But I really don't like your king crown, so he's going on the butt. Put you back here because he is just not okay, man. He thinks he's in charge. I don't think so. No. So he went on the butt. Okay, now this one is the donut guy. I don't know. I think you need to be front and center because you're going to eat donuts. So we're going to put you underneath the lip mouth thing. There we go. And Milky, you're so full of yourself. I don't think we need to do that, but we can put it on your backside. Like, you know, you'd wear on the back of your t-shirt. Like that. Oh, wait. There we go. Milky. So I don't know about any TV show, but this is a catchy tune. And I heard it from across the aisle in a Target. And I just had to play with it and figure out what it was. I had never heard of the Milky Show. And I didn't think it was not a show, but apparently these are YouTubers and I don't really know what they do. But I was looking to watch a TV show with whoever this lady is, and I didn't know about the King Rocky dude. He's just, I'm not, I like the fact that he's a mountain, but then they put this guy, but I don't like the crown dude. We totally loving the alien. Here we go. He's got it, man. I do like this guy, the fact that his little arms move, and that he is a ghost. I do have to say that. All right, y'all got to take a sip of this guy. Ironically, though, this straw does not have milk. That's a slushie. Now we got to drink Milky Milk. Oh, hang on. Oh, Slimer, I'm sorry. My bad. Okay, if you didn't know who Milky was, now you do. I really don't know what he does, but I like that too, man. keep jamming even after it's done. Milky, you're my new friend. What do you put in him? Write in the comments below whatever the heck you want me to put in Milky. And if he annoys you, you can always turn him off. It's great. That's it. Oh, Lord. Yes, apparently you need to like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm going to do next. But whatever it is, it's going to be entertaining. At least to me. I think it is actually to try to get kids to make sure that they drink their milk. Okay, are you going to cut this, please?